Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry pork. First, select a lean cut such as pork tenderloin or sirloin. Slice the pork into thin, uniform strips, roughly 1/4 inch thick, to ensure even cooking. Marinating the pork for at least 20 minutes is crucial. It tenderizes the meat and infuses it with delicious flavors, making your stir-fry truly stand out. Next, gather your favorite crisp vegetables. Bell peppers, broccoli florets, and snap peas work wonderfully, adding color and crunch. Cut all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces so they cook quickly and evenly in the hot wok. Don't forget to prepare your stir-fry sauce ahead of time. Having it ready makes the cooking process much smoother. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your wok or large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Cook the marinated pork in small batches to prevent overcrowding, which allows it to brown beautifully instead of steaming. Once the pork is cooked, add your prepared vegetables and stir-fry them until they are crisp tender. Finally, pour in your sauce and toss everything to coat. Your homemade pork stir-fry is now ready. Serve it immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles for a complete meal. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or fresh chopped green onions makes a lovely garnish and adds an extra layer of flavor. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.